With the implementation of the corporate tax in the UAE, one of the most common questions which I've been asked in the past couple of months is, what is the financial year in the UAE? Hi everyone, I am Karan Batra and I've been helping people set up companies in Dubai for more than 13 years now, and in this video, I would be talking about the financial year in Dubai from the point of view of both the corporate tax laws as well as the VAT laws and its practical relevance. Let's first talk about the corporate tax laws. For the purpose of corporate tax, a business owner is free to choose his own financial year. He may either choose a financial year from Jan to December, or say April to March, or July to June, or any financial year of his preference. The UAE government has given this flexibility because most of the people in the UAE are expats and they are from different parts of the world, so reporting gets easier. In some countries like the US, the financial year is usually from Jan to December, whereas in countries like India, the financial year is from April to March. And therefore, the UAE government has given the flexibility to the business owners to choose their own financial year based on their preference. However, the law also says that the first financial year cannot be less than 6 months, nor can it be more than 18 months. So, say for example, if my company is formed in August 24 and I want to choose the financial year from Jan to December, my first financial year would be ending in December 24, which is not possible. Why? Because the financial year cannot be less than 6 months. In this case, the period from August 24 till December 24 is only 5 months. And therefore, in this case, the financial year will end on December 25. Thus, the first financial year in this case becomes 17 months. However, in this case, from the second financial year onwards, the financial year will be of 12 months only and will start from Jan and end in December. If an entity wants to change its financial year at a later date, they can always file an application for the same, stating the reason for the change in the financial year. The corporate tax return is to be filed within 9 months of the end of the financial year. So, if the corporate tax period ends in December, the corporate tax returns are to be filed by September of next year. Similarly, if the corporate tax period ends in March, the corporate tax returns are to be filed by December. Irrespective of the financial year chosen, it will not have any impact on the license fees which is payable by the business. So, say for example, the license is valid till 31st of August. It will continue to be valid till 31st of August and would be required to be renewed on 31st of August irrespective of the financial year which is chosen by the business. The license fees is to be paid not on the basis of the financial year of the company but on the basis of the date of expiry of the license. And the license can expire at any time during the year. Apart from this, we also have to understand the VAT perspective. The VAT laws in UAE stipulate that if the total turnover of the business is more than 375,000 dirhams, then the entity is required to register for VAT and comply with all the VAT laws. However, this threshold limit is not on the basis of the financial year, but on the basis of the previous rolling 12-month period. So, what that basically means is that we will have to check the turnover in the previous 12 months irrespective of the financial year. So, the turnover should be less than 375,000 dirhams in all the rolling 12 months, that is from Jan to December, Feb to Jan, March to Feb, and so on. It should be less than 375,000 dirhams in all these periods. So, irrespective of the turnover of the financial year, if the turnover crosses 375,000 dirhams in the rolling 12-month period, VAT registration becomes mandatory. VAT registration is optional if the previous 12 months is between 187,500 to 375,000 dirhams. If the turnover of the previous 12 months is less than 187,500, VAT registration cannot even be applied for. I hope you found this video useful. If you still have any queries, feel free to book an appointment with me through the link given in the description below, and I will get on a one-to-one call with you. I'm planning to create more such informative videos on the business laws in the UAE, so do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you.